Do you have a plan for your dream lifestyle?
Hi everyone! Welcome to Lifestyle C. It's Sungeun. I'm an interior designer and I create videos about poetic interior design and lifestyle.
Happy New Year! And this is the first video of 2020. I'm so excited today because I'm going to talk about planning and vision casting. I don't know how you guys planned your new year, but today I'm going to talk about a different type of plan which I call your dream lifestyle plan. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to ask you guys, what are your top 3 goals that you want to achieve in 2020? Let me know yours in the comments below. What I like the most about a new year is that we can start with a clean and fresh blank canvas. Let's dream your new year without any limiting belief and mindset, alright? I think life is all about balance. We need to take care of different areas in our life. This year I set 4 important parts of my life, which are career, personal care like self-care or self-love, financial management, and relationships. Last year mine was a bit different and I adjusted because my lifestyle has changed. So please pause this video to think about your own life and what is important to you. I recommend staying 4 areas for better visualizing, but you can definitely do more or less. Now prepare a piece of paper, draw the lines and make separate sections on paper and label each section. Then visualize your ideal day and think about each part of your life. How do you want to live? How do you want to feel? This is your dream lifestyle, so don't think about whether it's realistic or not. Let go of your current self for a moment. Your dreams and plans should be something beyond your current situation and limiting beliefs. One more tip I want to give you is starting with your long-term vision. Imagine what your life will look like when you get older. Let's say 80 years old. It's pretty overwhelming but also mind-blowing. Then think about after 10 years, 5 years, and 3 years. From there, you can think about your 1-year dream lifestyle plan. Think big, beyond, and backwards. If you want to see it often as a reminder, please download the Dream Lifestyle Planner that I created for you guys. It's an interactive PDF, so you can easily edit and make a simple and clean dream lifestyle plan. I also include a page for long-term goals. Let's talk more about each part with some of my examples. I try to write in present tense and asking myself why helped me explore my dream on a deeper level. This doesn't include any income goals or tactics. It's all about how I want to work, my slow office lifestyle, and how I want to make an impact. I have clear boundaries between my work and personal life, and also between my important tasks and general tasks. So I set clear office time and focus on more creative things in the morning, which makes more impact on my business. And I cut off any distractions to fully use this time. So no emails, no phones in the morning. I try to keep my energy level high, so I schedule several proper break times. And also I started making a system and building a lifestyle team, working with 8 players who make up for my weaknesses. I don't do everything by myself. I feel confident because I grow every day and become the best version of myself. My morning is fully reserved for myself and my evening is for non-work related things. I unplug and avoid unplanned screen time as much as possible and have more quality time. For example, exercise, prepare and eat healthy food, learn jazz piano or other new things, read more books, and travel more often. This year, I'm moving. I know it's a big life event for me and my husband, so I don't want to purchase any home-related items before I move. Instead of spending time and money on shopping, I will go through all my belongings and let go of the things that don't serve me anymore. My style has changed a bit, so my next home will be a bit different. I'm looking for a more simple, modern, and airy home environment. In this section, I also include significant items that I want to purchase this year, like a new laptop and new wardrobe. I will spend more quality time with my husband. He's the closest person to me, but I felt that I had a lack of quality time with him last year. So I set proper time for him in the evenings and weekends to talk more and share our life vision together. Also, I will spend more meaningful time with people who make me happy and inspired. These are my examples of each section, and I have more plans for each one. However, focus on 1 to 3 things at a time will help you to achieve more at the end of the day. Lifestyle is a habit, and building habits takes some time. So make a priority and focus on those things. Once you get used to it, you can change or add more. Let's say every 3 months. Last but not least, design your surroundings to fit and reflect your dream lifestyle. It will bring you closer to your dreams and goals. For example, if you wanna talk more to your family in the evening, cozy up your sofa area to feel more comfortable. Or if you wanna work on more creative things, make your workplace feel creative. I hope this video gives you a new perspective on planning and lifestyle. And don't forget to share your top 3 goals or your dream lifestyle for this year in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, because next week I'm going to be talking about the first and essential step to get closer to your dream lifestyle, which is to declutter and organize your surroundings. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye!